Shut up and sit down.
Scratch, 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 scratch. Dog scratch, cat scratch, monkey scratch. I scratch, you scratch, you scratch. If you don't know how to scratch, I will teach you how to scratch. Yay! Let's scratch. Welcome back. So we are going to animate the astronauts leaving the moon now. So we are again going to start with messaging. But I promise I'll do it fast now. I think you already know these blocks. Now we need to bring back the spaceships. We are going to get them with the boosters now. So I will just get a rocket with boosters. I'll get 2 of them. So I will just duplicate them a little bit. Or wait, I'll just make them small and then duplicate. Then it will be more easier. Small, small, small. This is enough, I think. Yeah. Now I'll duplicate this. Now there should be 2 rockets. Yeah. 2 rockets with boosters. And now when the flag is clicked, they will disappear. Now and end. Yeah. And when they get that blue message, the present sent, after 2 seconds means 20. I'll make it into 20. They will appear. And I will just duplicate them like this. I'll put the same thing over here to this. And even this. Even these two have the same. And it's perfect. Now I will just after that I'll make the astronauts disappear. Means they have to send another message. I'll make it the green message. Over here also. Green message. And when they listen to the green message, they should disappear after 2 seconds. Disappear. I'll again put 20. Yeah. I'll put the same to the other astronaut. Yeah. Now both of them have the same. Okay, now we will make the rocket launch. So, I will just go to the rocket and I'll add 30. Yeah. to the other other rocket also. Same. Yeah. 30. Great. And now we are going to make the rocket launch. I'm going to show you two new blocks. That is, turn right and turn left. So I want it to turn right since the earth is there, and I will show you how to launch it. We will use the repeat block and go to the move block. I'll make it up and this. Now it should come correct. And I will even duplicate this to here. Yeah. Now this is also over here. Yeah, it is good now. They should launch now. Yeah. This should be enough. And now I'm just going to make it disappear, and I'm going to try the same for both rockets. And I'll just make this rocket go a little bit too, because it is further. 2. Yeah. And now I'll make it disappear after it goes. Disappear, and even over here. Disappear. Done. Now let's see if it is all correct. We'll start from the beginning. Can you please give him this gift? Now they're taking the gift. Yeah. The rocket is, they have gone and they launch. Yay! I hope you are enjoying this. We have almost completed this tutorial. Now we will do the animation of them landing in the planet Earth. And that is the third scene. So meet you there in the next episode. Bye!